Hello and welcome. Today we are going to imagine walking into a home where every curve, every corner, and every light fixture feels like a page out of tomorrow's design book. Welcome to the future of luxury living, where sleek innovation meets timeless elegance. This isn't just a house. It's a masterpiece carved from imagination and precision. Nestled on sprawling grounds, surrounded by manicured lawns and blooming gardens, this architectural marvel is giving Jetsons meets Beverly Hills energy. The heart of this home? A kitchen that redefines the word sleek. With handleless cabinetry, waterfall quartz countertops that melt right into a sculptural island, and lighting so ambient it feels like it reads your mood. This space isn't just for cooking, it's for creating experiences. Step outside and you'll find nature and modernity having a quiet love affair. This ultra-modern estate, wrapped in floor-to-ceiling glass and clean geometric lines, makes you feel like you're living in harmony with the trees. And then there's the gallery room, where art isn't hung. It's displayed like royalty. From the custom chandelier to museum-worthy portraits, this space doesn't just scream luxury, it whispers legacy. Every detail in this home is intentional. From the curve of the walls that guide your walk, to the light fixtures that look like they were plucked from a sci-fi film, it's not just luxury, it's living art. And while it may look like something reserved for celebrities or royalty, here's the truth. Homes like this inspire us all to dream bigger. Whether it's curating your own space with intention or just saving this video to your vision board, this is your reminder that beauty can live where innovation dares to go. Thank you for taking the time to tour with us. We hope our style fits your home. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content. Until next time.